let's take a look at just a little piece of 4.9. We're writing polynomial functions for a set of points. So we're going to be given a set of points and then write a function. So you know that 2 points determine a line. 2 points determine a line. 3 points not on a line determine a parabola. Okay, 3 points not on a line determine a parabola. All right, so for example, if I had these 2 points here, and then a third point could be anywhere, say here, that would be a parabola, right? And we would just choose any 3 points anywhere, okay? Then you could say maybe this would be this type of parabola, right? So that is what this is saying. In example 1, you will see that 4 points not on the line of parabola determines the graph of a cubic function. So here is example 1. We're going to write a cubic function. And actually, this should be very familiar to what we've done before with quadratics. We're going to write the cubic function whose graph is shown. We're going to use the 3 x-intercepts to write the function in factored form first. So we know that our intercepts are at -4, 1, and 3. So f of x, remember it's the opposite, would be x plus 4, then x minus 1, and then x minus 3. Now, I forgot to leave some space in the front, because what we need to figure out is we want to try and figure out what is that a value, okay? What is the a in the front? So we're going to find the value of a by substituting one of the coordinates of the graph. So we are given a coordinate, 0, -6. So this is x, this is y. And we're going to plug it into our function. Remember, f of x is our y value. So this is -6 equals a times x, which is 0 plus 4, times 0 minus 1 times 0 minus 3, right? Our x value is 0, and that's where we're plugging it in. Well, that was really nice because it's 0, so that makes it a little fast. So -6 equals a times 4 times -1 times -3. This is -6 equals a times 12 divided by 12. So therefore, a equals -1/2. So the function would be f of x equals -1/2 times x plus 4 times x minus 1 times x minus 3. Okay, and that's it. So go ahead and try the next 2 examples here. You'll have to be able to tell, first of all, what are the x-intercepts. I hope you can tell which one those are, right? X-intercepts are when y equals 0. So this is an x-intercept, this is an x-intercept, and this is our x-intercept. Then the other point, that is, well, it's our y-intercept, but that is our other point, right? This is our x value, and this is our y value, okay? So first write it in factored form, and then plug in the points, and that should help you out. So pause the video, and then I will work through the answers. So in this example, you write f of x equals a times x plus 4 times x minus 2 times x minus 5. Y is 10. 10 equals a times 0 plus 4, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 5. This is 10 equals, let's see, 4 times positive 10. This is 40a divided by 40. Therefore, a equals positive 1/4. So this is f of x equals 1/4 times x plus 4 times x minus 2 times x minus 5. In this other example, so my x-intercept -1, 2, and 3. This is my x and y. So this is f of x equals a times x plus 1 times x minus 2 times x minus 3. And then my y is -12 equals a times 0 plus 1 times 0 minus 2 times 0 minus 3. This is -12 equals negative times negative is a positive 6, so 6a divided by 6. So therefore a equals -2 in this case. So this one is f of x equals -2 times x plus 1 times x minus 2 times x minus 3.